In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the alternating incline dumbbell press. We're going to be working here the pectoral muscles. Now, the question I get from clients is what's the difference between doing this with a flat bench and at an incline? And simply put, you're going to be shifting the emphasis more onto your upper fibers of the chest by putting the bench into an incline. Now, a lot of people get confused with inclines and declines. Think of it as if your head and your chest is higher than your hips, you're at an incline. If it's lower than your hips, you're at a decline. I typically put my clients to the first or second setting. And once they're ready for the exercise, I always instruct to try and pick the weights up with a nice straight back before putting them on the knees. Try not to round your back, try to get into good habits. Elbows into the body, come all the way back until your back and your head are in contact with the bench. Elbows come out. Really good cue here is try and keep the chest and the dumbbells in line. So you don't want to have the chest completely void and your dumbbells in line with your shoulders. As soon as you've got those dumbbells in line with the chest and elbows slightly below the shoulders, bring one dumbbell up and in and down and out. Then go for the next dumbbell, up and in, down and out. And you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Now, what you can also do is a slightly different version of alternating, which is you start with one dumbbell up, and as one dumbbell comes up, the other one comes down. So you start to work both sides at the same time, a little bit more coordination involved in this one. And what I like about the alternating dumbbell press is when you come down and you stop with one dumbbell, as you then start, you're starting from that starting stop. So you've got to generate all the power yourself by going from an isometric contraction all the way to explosive. Elbows in and crunch back up to your start position. That is how you do an alternating incline dumbbell press, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.